Hey everybody, I want to introduce you to a new video series called What's in the Shop. This is where we have real customers with real problems, and the most important thing we want to show you is how to prevent them. So come with me and let's go see what's in the shop. Hi, so today we're working on a 2006 Lance camper, and as you can see that there's water damage to the front end. This could have been prevented by doing something simple as a body reseal. This is just an exterior side and rear view of the unit. We're starting to remove the curb side moldings, and behind the moldings there is a small amount of putty tape, which is kind of normal. When it's applied, it gets squished out, thus leaving a gap between the sidewall and the roof line, as you can see in these pictures. This is a picture of the roof moldings been removed. You can see that the staples are rusted and there's water getting back behind the moldings. And again, here's that gap that's at the wall. A simple body reseal or injecting in between that surface would have kept water from getting in. Here's a picture of the guy who's working on the front cap, doing the cleanup. Luckily, the customer had an aluminum framework, and this is a picture of the aluminum frame, and the guys are cleaning up all the glue left over from the front cap material. This next picture, you can see that the front cap was water damaged. You can see the black mold setting in on it. And so again, a lot of preventive maintenance could have kept this from happening. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for watching What's in the Shop. Please hit the subscribe button so you can see our next episode. Thank you for watching.